If you think Vicks Vaporub is solely for alleviating congestion and cough, think again. This multi-purpose ointment has a plethora of surprising applications you may not be aware of. Say farewell to traditional uses and explore the unexpected benefits of Vicks Vaporub. 1. Goodbye earaches. Suffering from earaches? Dip a cotton ball in Vicks Vaporub, place it in the affected ear, and experience rapid relief. Combine the soothing properties of Vicks with a microwaved garlic clove for even more significant results. Warm a garlic clove for 10 seconds, apply Vicks, and insert it in your ear for instant improvement. 2. Farewell warts. Stubborn warts can be unsightly, but Vicks Vaporub offers an effective solution. Apply a small amount to the affected area, cover it with a clean cloth, and witness visible improvements within days. In just 14 days, the wart will vanish. 3. Kiss athlete's foot goodbye. Combat the itchiness and discomfort of athlete's foot with Vicks Vaporub. Apply the ointment twice daily to the affected area and bid farewell to athlete's foot. 4. Soothe eczema and stretch marks. Tackling eczema or stretch marks? Rub a small amount of Vicks onto the affected area for remarkable improvement within 2 weeks with regular use. 5. Nail fungus and cracked heels. Say goodbye to nail fungus and cracked heels. Apply Vicks to the affected nail twice a day and cover it with cotton socks for nail fungus. For cracked heels, apply Vicks, wear warm socks, rinse off in the morning, and exfoliate with a pumice stone for desired results. 6. Relieve congestion, cough, and sore muscles. Beyond respiratory relief, Vicks Vaporub soothes sore muscles. Massage it onto your throat and chest for congestion and cough relief, and wrap the area with a warm towel. Repeat 3 times daily until the pain subsides. 7. Various skincare uses. Vicks Vaporub extends beyond the respiratory system to nourish the skin. Apply a small amount to dry skin for a moisturizing boost and combat acne by applying it to affected areas for clearer skin. 8. Say goodbye to sinus headaches. Ease sinus headaches by applying a small amount of Vicks under your nose and breathing deeply for soothing relief. 9. Speed up healing and keep mosquitoes away. Accelerate the healing process for cuts and splinters by applying Vicks. Additionally, keep mosquitoes at bay by applying Vicks to your skin and clothes during outdoor activities. 10. Other surprising uses. Keep insects away during a picnic by opening a bottle of Vicks or rubbing it on specific areas. Discourage pets from peeing on furniture by placing an open bottle of Vicks on the problem area. Protect furniture from cat scratches by rubbing Vicks on walls, windows, and furniture.